God, it's pretty freaking intense. That's awesome. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay, but we're going to head off to the next location. I'm going to see what's around the next corner and continue on our adventure towards Prince Rupert. Alright, let's get out of here. I can't hear anything. Man, what a view. This is a pretty cool viewpoint. Some beautiful mountains up there, that's for sure. Man, I'm so glad I turned up on this highway. We've got a few more things we're going to check out, but pretty impressive indeed, especially that bridge that we just went over. Fire. I'm going to throw the drone up, put it in the air, and go take a couple pictures of it before I leave the area. I just checked. There's no restrictions in this area to fly drones. So let's throw it in the air. Enjoy. Apparently these totem poles are like 100 to 130 years old. That's pretty crazy. Looks like some of them have been mounted or been supported a little bit with some metal brackets so that they don't fall over, I guess. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. Pretty cool indeed, considering this is part of my ancestry, I guess, since I'm Native and I'm First Nations. Not from this area, but it'd be cool if my great-great-great-great-grandfather was visiting here at one point. That would be neat. All right, so we got to go find somewhere to park, have a bite to eat, upload a video. Totem poles, pretty cool, but there's more stuff to see. Not enough time to see it. We'll see you guys down the trail. Look at that beast, eh? We're just stopping here at Sealy Lake Provincial Park. Check this lake out before we head off. But I think we're gonna pull out Starlink and at least upload a video, and then have a snack, have dinner maybe, and then we'll move on. We got everything cleaned up, ready to go. Got GPS marked, and we'll see you guys around the next bend. Let's get at her, eh? Let's put some kilometers on the van. We just passed the Highway 37, the Cassiar Highway turnoff, so we're headed towards Prince Rupert now. We're gonna go find somewhere to sleep, somewhere between here and Terrace. Who knows? Might even make it to Terrace. We'll just play it by ear. We'll see where the road takes us. Let's hit the road. We'll see what it's got in store for us. So I was looking at the map, and there's not very many rec sites between Smithers and Terrace. So I figured, why not? We'll take a chance. We'll stop here at Cleans Creek, Provincial Park, I think it's called. I'm so glad I did, because we're right beside the creek, and it is loud. And it sounds amazing. So I'm happy I stopped here tonight. Yeah, we did drive a fair bit. We drove just over 220 kilometers today from Smithers, and we're almost in Terrace. It's hard to create dramatic YouTube videos without making clickbait, like some other YouTubers I know that you watch their video and it has nothing to do with the title. And I try not to do that, but sometimes I will try a little tiny trick just to get you to click on my videos. That's just the way YouTube it is, man. That's just how it is. But regardless, I'm having a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys.